Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Semrush and Ubersuggest, two major SEO tools. If you are a digital marketer, a content creator, or a business owner trying to choose the right SEO platform in 2025, this breakdown is for you. We'll cover everything from their features and pricing to pros and cons and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. Semrush is a comprehensive digital marketing platform that's been a staple in the SEO industry for years. It's an all-in-one digital marketing platform. It offers over 55 tools covering SEO, PPC, content marketing, social media, and competitive research. With a massive database of over 25 billion keywords and 43 trillion backlinks, Semrush is designed for professionals who need deep insights and robust analytics. On the other hand, Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. This tool started as a simple keyword research utility but has evolved into a more rounded SEO platform. It offers features like keyword suggestions, site audits, backlink data, and rank tracking. Ubersuggest is particularly known for its user-friendly interface and affordability, making it accessible for beginners and small businesses. Now let us talk about the main features of the platforms. First, Semrush, Keyword Magic Tool. It's probably one of the best in the business. It gives you a ton of keyword suggestions along with metrics like search intent, difficulty, CPC, and SERP features. Domain overview and competitor analysis. You can plug in a competitor's website and instantly get their top performing keywords, traffic sources, backlink profile, and ad strategies. Technical SEO site audits. You can scan your site for over 140 issues, things like broken links, duplicate content, slow loading pages, or improper redirects. Backlink analytics and link building tool. You can discover backlink opportunities and evaluate the quality of incoming links. This is great for outreach and cleanup. Content Marketing Toolkit. It has tools for topic research, writing assistance, optimization, and performance tracking. Position tracking and local SEO. You can monitor keyword rankings across locations and devices and even track local map pack visibility. Social media poster and tracker. Semrush even lets you manage social media campaigns and analyze performance. On the other hand, Ubersuggest provides essential SEO tools like keyword suggestions. You can generate keyword ideas with search volume, competition, and CPC data. Site audits. You can identify SEO issues and receive recommendations for improvement. Backlink data. You can view backlinks to your site and competitors. Rank tracking. You can monitor your website's keyword rankings over time. Top pages reports. You can discover which pages on your site or competitors are performing best. And of course, there's an AI writer by Ubersuggest. With the AI writer, you can write your blog content faster and you can do lots of social media caption writing. Now let us talk about the pricing of the platforms. For Semrush, there's a Pro plan, a Guru plan, and a Business plan under the SEO Toolkit. The Pro costs $139.95 per month, the Guru costs $249.95 per month, and the Business costs $499.95 per month. The other toolkits like Traffic and Market, Local SEO, Content, Social, and lots more costs different prices. You may have to visit the website to get details about this. And for Ubersuggest, there's a business plan, an individual plan, and an enterprise plan. The individual plan is the one of the best value that costs $12 per month. The business costs $20 per month, and the enterprise costs $40 per month. And there's a lifetime opportunity to secure lifetime access to the platform. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of these platforms. We start with the pros. For Semrush, comprehensive suite of tools covering various aspects of digital marketing, extensive database for keyword and backlink analysis, and regular updates and new feature additions. For Ubersuggest, affordable pricing with lifetime access options, user-friendly interface suitable for beginners, and essential SEO tools that cover the basics effectively. Chrome extension for on-the-go SEO insights. How about the cons? For Semrush, there's a steep learning curve for beginners. The higher pricing tiers may be expensive for small businesses. And for Ubersuggest, limited data depth compared to more advanced tools. There are fewer features for advanced SEO analysis, and some users may report data inaccuracies and slower load times, although this is not always the case. So here's the million-dollar question: which tool is the best in 2025? If you are a seasoned digital marketer or an agency needing in-depth analysis, comprehensive tools, and advanced reporting, Semrush is the better choice. Its extensive features and data depth justify the higher price point for those who can leverage its full capabilities. However, if you are a beginner, a solo entrepreneur, or a small business owner looking for an affordable, easy-to-use tool that covers the SEO essentials, Ubersuggest is a solid option. It provides the necessary features to get started with SEO without overwhelming you or breaking the bank. Ultimately though, the best choice depends on your specific needs, your experience level, and your budget. And that's it on the review of Semrush and Ubersuggest. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Moz, SE Ranking, and RFs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.